Hi Laura. So yesterday we set up a Google My Business account for you. So today I'm going to show you how to use and manage Google My Business account. Okay. So first you need to search for Google My Business. Okay, and you will get this link. Now click on Manage Now and sign into your Google account. So we created a new Google account for you. The email ID is gorrettalaw@gmail.com. Okay, I will share these credentials with you. I will give you the link of this tutorial video as well as the credentials to log into the Google account. Okay, so Gorretta, and here is the password. You can change this password later as per your convenience. Okay, but for our conveniences we always use this password for all our clients Google account what we are managing from our end. Okay, so just sign into the Google account, and once you are signed in you will get this type of page of Google My Business. Okay, from here click the businesses, and over there you will see your location is there, it's verified, all the edits, everything is set it up properly. Click on this and you will get this page. So from here you can do number of things. First you can check your info here regarding your location and your business. Here is your address, your timings, your special hours, your phone number, website, services. So you can edit this from here. Like if you want to edit the services, you just need to click on this type of pencil sign and you will get all the service list of services here. You can add a new service and you can remove the particular service as well from here. You can also assign a particular price, amount for that particular service, and add a service description as well. Then you can also add some photos of your location. For now we have used this as a logo of your company, of your brand, and we added some photos here like this, and this, right? And this is a 360-degree view of your location. So you can manage that from this photos tab. You can create some new post as well to show on Google My Business. How it will look, let me show you. Here it is. This is your location. So when you create a new post, it will showing up here, right? Like this is a new blog post we have published, or this is a new offer like this, 10% off on entire store, this type of coupons and this type of posts you can create from here. And the one most important thing is, whenever someone submit a review or a feedback to your location, from here you can see your reviews, one Google review. So this is the review. So you always need to reply. That will help you to manage your Google My Business profile properly and to gain a proper results on Google, right? So just reply like, thank you so much for your nice feedback, we appreciate it, something like this, right? So you can do that. Okay, I am not going to do that right now. You can manage that. So yeah, I will share these credentials, means credentials of the Google account, and here are the things what you can do from here in Google My Business, right? And whenever you need to see your changes, just go to the businesses and see your profile. Just click on it and you will get your profile here like this, your map location, your new photographs, okay, your phone number, address. These are the hours of time, everything is here. Okay, so just check it out from your end and let us know if you find any problems. Okay, we are here to help you. Thank you so much.